Here's how to turn on or off the flashlight on your iPhone. Now you can see my flashlight is turned on. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to turn it on or off. The first way is you can swipe down from the top left. This will get you to the lock screen, and usually at the bottom left or right is that little flashlight icon. Let's turn this off just by tapping on it. However, you can see if I tap, it doesn't do anything. You need to press and hold on it to toggle it on or off. So if I press and hold, you can see it turns it off. If I press and hold, it turns it on. Now, another way to be able to do that is you can swipe down from the top right and there is the flashlight icon. Similar to the other one, you'll be able to see it in the control center, toggle it on or off just like that. Now, the coolest and easiest way to be able to do it if you don't want to go through these steps is we'll just use Siri. So I'm going to press and hold this side button, turn the flashlight off.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Turn the flashlight off. Just like that, you can see Siri, it took a couple tries, but turn the flashlight on or off.